Ah, Whistler. What a wonderful, wonderful place to ride. If you're a mountain biker, it just doesn't get any better than Whistler. Blue Velvet. One of my favorite trails to warm up on is Blue Velvet. It's a nice flow trail with a few jumps mixed into it, but it's just a great way to loosen up. You can't beat the scenery. There's some berms and some building speed, and it just gives you the ability to just enjoy the surroundings, Whistler in general, all the wonderful trees. When I was here during this particular trip, the weather was just perfect. If you can tell from the sky, there wasn't a cloud anywhere, no chance of rain. The temperatures were perfect, and I was at complete peace. Not only was Blue Velvet a great way to warm up, it's also the trail that I used to access a lot of the upper sections. There was construction going on, and so you had to use a little connector. So it worked out pretty good, especially since the lift lines started getting a little longer after lunch. To take this second lift up to Garbanzo and then drop into Blue Velvet, sort of warm up, loosen up, you know, just enjoy where you're at. And then by the time you got down to the bottom of upper Blue Velvet, you could take any number of ways down, either to the next lift and just take Garbanzo back up, or you could go all the way to the bottom. So this is just one of my favorite trails to start out my runs, and I hope you enjoy this video. Sure can't beat the scenery.
GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording.